Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing Xomzema's version of the rear removable cup holder. It's small, low profile, and easily removable when you go and put the seats down. So let's go check it out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This two-piece kit comprises of a metal mounting bracket and a TPE material dual cup holder. The mounting bracket has an American flag stamped into it, and there's extra storage behind the two cup holders. On the bottom there is a strong magnet to keep it in place, and then a couple of bumps to stop it from moving around. If you have rear floor mats, push them to one side. Grab the top of the center console and pull it towards you, and then pop out the lower left and the lower right hand sides. Don't pull it too tight, as you're going to have to remove some connectors. Here I'm removing the brown, the grey and the black connectors, and then the main power connector. The brown, grey and black connectors have a simple pinch connection. Pinch the clip and pull them apart. The larger power connector, you have two clasps that you have to pinch open, and then disconnect it. It does have a little circuit board attached, so just be careful. Here you can see the four connections that we've taken apart. And these are the four harnesses that you've disconnected. Just be careful, take your time, and they'll come apart nice and easy. The next step, you're going to remove these two screws. Then you can marry up the mounting bracket and reinstall those two screws. And begin to tighten them down. As they got tight, I turned the console on its end so that the mounting bracket was pushed right up against the bottom of the console, and then tightened them down. Reinstalling the back of the center console is the reverse of taking it apart. Reinstall all four plugs, and then just push it in place. Just make sure you connect them brown to brown, grey to grey, black to black, and power to power. And then clip the console back in place. I did cheat this just slightly. I did trap the lip of the floor mat underneath the center console. It just made for a cleaner install. Now you can put the cup holder in place. The magnet holds it securely, and those bumps stop it from moving side to side. A normal 20-ounce tumbler fits in there no problem whatsoever. And of course you can remove it quickly for when you want to put the back seats down. And as you can see, it is nice and securely in place. It takes a decent amount of force to remove it. Another quick and easy install. Just need to take that center console, the rear of that center console off, disconnect the connections, and then screw the mounting plate in. Put the connectors back in place, put the center console back in, and then just put the cup holder onto the magnetic base. Really easy. As you can see, it holds cups nicely. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.